Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima. I found recording my vocal by Blue Yeti microphone, which I explained in the last video, kind of challenging. So I decided to do it as a pro and make my job easier. And I reached out. I purchased a studio kit from Røde, and in this video we're going to unbox it. So stay tuned. Here it is, NT1-A studio kit by Røde. This product has a 10 years warranty, XLR cable, shock mount and pop filter are included, and this microphone has 48V phantom power technology. I'm going to explain what it is and what it can do in relation to vocal recording in another video. And as you see, NT1-A is a studio condenser microphone. And on the other side of the box, you see the pictures of all the items inside this package and some explanation from Røde. For example, they explain that NT1-A is an industry standard microphone with warm dynamic range, clarity, and high SPL capability that you can compare to the world's most expensive microphones. And they also explained that this microphone has one large 1-inch gold spotted capsule, exceptionally low noise, smooth frequency response between 20 Hz and 20 kHz, true condenser operation with cardioid PR pattern, and wide dynamic range and high sensitivity. They also explain what's inside the box and what this microphone is good for. So let's open the box. Well, it seems yes, as usual, there is a box inside the box. Now we're going to open this box. First of all, you need to know that you must register your product to get that 10 years warranty. And first thing we see is a SM6 package, which includes a pop filter and shock mount. And there is blue ring and quick start guide. I don't know, I can imagine that this blue ring is to keep the cable tight to the microphone stand. I'm going to bring all the boxes out. So we're going to begin with 6-meter cable. It's a XLR cable as mentioned before, and one side is female and the other side is male. I assume that female side is going to attach to the microphone. And here's the package for microphone. On the left side there is this cover dust. Doesn't look like something important, but it is very important, believe me. And from the other side, you can take the microphone out, and as you can see, it is well protected, and I'm very careful. It's nice color. I don't know, maybe it's beige. I'm going to bring it out. It's nice design, like a pro. And one thing you should know, Røde is an Norwegian word, which means the red color, but actually the microphone is made in Australia. And the last box, on the top you see the pop filter, again with a brand on it and nice design. And shock mount with nice and pro design. And it seems very stable, and the material wise it's good. So during the unboxing, I just realized that I need another thing to buy, and it is a microphone stand. So I'm going to reach out again, and I'm going to buy a microphone stand. We're going to unbox that too, and finally I'm going to assemble my studio kit, the microphone, the whole package, in another video. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and smash the like button. See you next time. Take care.